wiring the money into the account now. Sounds great. What are you doing here?
Where's my money?
It was never your money to begin with. You don't have the...
Guts.
Callie! Definitely dead. Callie?
Alright.
Well, you gotta wipe your gun.
No, that's okay because we've got to do the other shots. There'll be multiple shots in between. Alright,
Okay.
so now we're going to...
Wait, I kind of want to get her walking out.
Yeah, but we can... Alright, we do that afterwards
I'll
because I
get
have
my
to fall onto
gun
the
and
floor
then
now.
walk out.
Okay. Okay. Good.
So now,
Okay, I can give you
keep the
till
door open.
10 seconds and then I can come straight in.
Well, can you hear when you're outside?
Give me the walkie-talkie. Tell me when you're outside. Oh no, you
No,
can't.
because it'll beep. Yeah.
Just open the door a little bit.
And listen.
And be on the inside. Just pull the door open.
Oh
When I
yeah.
say yes. Yeah, so
All we need is the door noise.
Yeah. So
Oh,
there,
okay.
yeah.
I'll just
Okay. Start counting.
Okay, 1, 2,
Not out loud.
3,
Not out loud.
4.
Kill. Stop. Sorry, I messed up the shot. I'm supposed to be here.
Callie? Definitely dead.